The 52-inch Averly is a modern-style ceiling fan with a color-changing light. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The 52-inch blade span makes it perfect for large rooms that are between 12 by 12 feet and 18 by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Remove the hanger bracket. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Guide the motor wires through the downrod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes and insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy over the downrod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to tighten the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the downrod. Use a wire stripper to shorten the length of the motor wires. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and slide the slots over the 2 screws. Tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and place the hanger ball in the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab in the bracket. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling box. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use wire nuts to connect the ground wires from the downrod, hanger bracket, and ceiling box together. Connect the neutral wire from the ceiling box to the white wire from the receiver marked AC in N. Connect the hot wire from the ceiling box to the black wire from the receiver marked AC in L. Connect the white wire from the fan to the white wire from the receiver marked to motor N. Connect the black wire from the fan to the black wire from the receiver marked to motor L. Connect the blue wire from the fan to the blue wire from the receiver marked for light. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place and tuck into the box. Slide the receiver into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Align and twist the canopy over the hanger bracket screws. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Align and twist the canopy ring over the screws. The fan blades are now ready to install. Bring a fan blade up to the motor and slide it into one of the slots. Align the blade support plate over the holes, then secure it in place with the 3 blade attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. The light kit assembly can now be installed. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the screws and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the fan. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Remove one of the screws from the mounting plate and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan. Connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Bring the glass shade up to the fan. Align and turn inside the light kit until snug. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. If you are installing multiple fans or experiencing interference from other devices, the remote and receiver frequencies can be changed. Remove the rubber cover on the receiver and change the dip switch code. Remove the battery cover on the remote and duplicate the code. The dip switch codes must match or the fan will not function. On the remote, install the included battery. An optional remote control holder is included. The power on-off button toggles the fan and light at the same time. Holding the button for 3 seconds will activate the walk-away time delay, a feature that activates the light for 30 seconds. The fan speed button cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light button turns the light on or off. Holding the button cycles through the different brightness settings. The correlated color temperature button cycles through the different color temperature options. The light can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. Use the reverse switch on top of the motor to change the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be stopped before changing the direction of the blade rotation. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.